Today we got a video from Arrestmania, and the title of the video is Overconfident mouthy woman thought she'd get away with pepper spraying rival at party.
Okay, do you want to press charges?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
That's what she needs to be. She's an animal. She needs to be in jail like an animal should.
On February 28th, 2026, police were working security at a party when chaos suddenly broke out between two women. Witnesses say one woman showed up, sprayed the other with pepper spray, and a violent fight erupted moments later. The suspect told police the other female was obsessed with her baby's father and said there was already a restraining order involved. This is what happened when police stepped in that night.
Oh wow. The cops were there while they were fighting.
She got pepper spray. It's okay. I got your.
No, she's getting detained.
Oh, don't take a pill, take a jail. Don't take a jail.
Serious, this girl has been harassing me and stalking me for months about my baby father. Like, it's not even joking. Like, and she's supposed to be pregnant. She's claiming she's pregnant right now.
Okay.
Just to mess with me because I just had a baby. Like, this girl's delusional. Literally, she rides past my house. That's why I got a restraining order. Like, that girl is delusional. She's obsessed with my baby father, and he doesn't pay her any attention. So she harasses me. Like, it's not even funny. Literally, this is why I got a restraining order. Literally.
She got a restraining order? So the other girl shouldn't be near her then.
Like, it's not even funny. So I'm intoxicated and enjoying myself, and she comes to attack me. Like, that's not cool.
How many times did she punch you?
I don't even know. I'm intoxicated, ma'am. Clearly, you see that we were fighting. So, I mean, I don't understand what you're trying to say.
Okay, do you want to press charges?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
That's what she needs to be. She's an animal. She needs to be in jail like an animal should. She looks like an animal, is an animal, everything. Yeah, this not her car. Bye-bye.
60363.
Okay, so bye-bye. Why are you over here? Bye. Deuces. Like, it's not funny. She came to my residence before. Literally, I made a police report when I was pregnant. Like, this is crazy. This girl literally came 3 days before I had my baby. She came to my residence. Uninvited, unannounced, everything. It was on my parking lot, trying to assault me while I was pregnant. And assaulted me. This is why I got a restraining order. And y'all throwing me on the ground like I'm a criminal and I'm the aggressor.
We were breaking y'all up because y'all were fighting.
Correct, but I'm littler than you. So why is a man in you
were
putting
being detained?
Okay,
And
it's
I
a way
told you
to
that.
Listen, it's a way to you're first of all, you're a woman.
Don't tell her how to do her job, man. See, this is going from, yeah, y'all was fighting, but you could put yourself in a nice little light right here as, positioning yourself as, not being the aggressor or whatever. It works in your favor. You do have a restraining order. These are all good things. But this could go another way if you're going to start pushing your luck with the officer and trying to tell her how to do her job that she's trained to do.
And we're the same in the same weight class. Let's be realistic. You have a job to do, but you also can be fair and do good at your job. Listen, I've worked many positions and worked a lot of jobs since I was 16 years old. I know how this goes. You can obtain your character in whatever position you are in. You understand what I'm trying to say. So you did not have to put me on the ground like I'm a man. I'm small. I'm smaller than you. I'm just asking you to understand where I'm coming from. That's it. And you're not wrong for doing that. Just listen to what I'm saying, though.
I am.
Like, I was just enjoying myself. I just had a baby. I'm enjoying myself, and she attacked me, and y'all are doing this to me?
Okay. Hold on 1 second.
All of that stuff, she's acting like the officers knew that ahead of time. Yeah, you just had a baby. You know, you got a restraining order on her. Like, come on, man. Cut it out. Take your drunk ass somewhere, man.
That's fine. That's fine. But when has it been okay?
That's why we need black cops patrolling the area.
Yes, yes, it's on. It's on.
It's not on. It's not on. It's not on. Hey, tell Shane. Tell Shane.
Have a good night.
Tell Shane.
Police later spoke with the victim to hear her side of the story.
When our friend, she was attacked like this is just too much. Okay.
Okay, if you have your phone, take a picture of it and then grab it from me, please. I'm sorry, say again.
She was attacked, and we was just trying to check on her too because y'all had fell and her arm. She was saying her arm was.
Do you need EMS at all?
I with the pepper spray when she bust out with the pepper spray. This bitch lungs.
Did you watch it all happen?
Yeah,
we seen everything. So we trying to talk to y'all. Everything over with. How do y'all let y'all get the fuck on?
You see, even after the handcuff, she was still attacked.
Do you all want to be witnesses? Would you like to be in the report? Because she wants to file charges against her.
And she should though.
So if
I got my own shit.
I don't mind. It don't matter with me.
you don't, okay.
Like, how do you expect to come to a club and not get bumped into? Like, you're weird. You're weird, bro. This is like, it's literally probably 500 people in this. This is a weird bitch. It's a weird bitch. It's a lot of people in there. No, I'm aggravated. It's a lot of people in there. So to get to start pepper spraying, you feel me? You shouldn't even come here. You shouldn't even come here. If it's too crowded for you, bitch, leave out. You don't just attack nobody. You put.
Can you hang out with her real quick? That's the. Yep. That's what's on my lips.
Literally, we in the club. This
Can you hang out with her? I'm gonna go talk to Sierra real quick and figure out what's going on.
How are they involved?
Witnesses. So, more or less, Sierra's kept harassing her. She found out she was here, and then pulled out the pepper spray and went to go pepper spray her, and that's when she went and defended herself.
So she is
Victim. But she's also alleging, so I want to get her side before I cut her loose. Yeah. Do you want to be a witness? No? Okay.
If you don't want to be a witness, you don't need to stand here then. You can win. So, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements.
So I'm being arrested.
Yes. Do you understand each of these rights as I've explained them to you?
Yes.
Have you previously requested any law enforcement officer to allow you to speak to an attorney?
No.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me now?
Yes.
All right.
Why am I being arrested?
She's going to explain it to you.
So,
I'm going to wrap that up for you, right? Yeah.
So we're getting a different story from her.
From who?
So her name's Heaven.
Yeah. Well, how are you getting a different story from her when I have an active restraining order? Can I get my phone so I can show y'all the court order?
I don't know where your phone is.
Okay.
I don't know anybody that you were with.
The court order states that if they make any contact with you or be in any direction of you, they're going to jail.
Regardless.
She reapproached me and I defended myself.
Okay.
What's the issue?
Can I continue?
Go ahead.
When did you pull out the pepper spray?
When she attacked me to defend myself.
Okay. Did you agree to fight with her?
No.
No.
How did I agree with fighting her if she approached me where I was?
No good.
She literally be stalking me online, literally. Like, this is why I got the court order. All of that is in it. Like, literally, I can show you the court order that we have. The court order states if you come within 500 feet of that person, like, she literally was attacking me. I'm pretty sure everyone got that on video, which later I'm going to show in court. This is going to be nothing. This is going to be dropped. I just don't understand why I'm going to jail when she approached me and attacked me.
Okay, let me explain something to you. You are going to jail for battery on LEO.
How?
You put your hand around my throat.
I didn't know I was doing it. I'm intoxicated, and it's a lot of people
That's
around
not an
me.
excuse.
That is.
No, it's not.
How? If it's a lot of people approaching me.
Listen, you are also going to jail for resisting without violence.
Are you serious?
Smoked her boots, man. Yeah. Forget the restraining order. We got you for what you done did to us. Get you together, man.
I told you multiple times to put your hands behind your back. And you continued not to.
Can you listen to what I'm saying?
You are also going to jail for battery on her.
How?
We both witnessed you kick her.
When she was attacking me?
No. After we separated y'all, you went back and kicked her. We both witnessed it. You are going to jail for battery on her, resisting without violence, and battery on LEO.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
The woman was charged with battery, resisting police without violence, and battery on a police officer.